Can I request everybody to stand up for our morning prayer? So, Mr. Masil, can you lead the prayer? Good morning, class. Before you take your seat, can you pick up all the papers under your chair and arrange it properly? Okay, class, take your seat. So, class, who are the absent today? Very good. That all means you are all interested to learn. So, class, yesterday, I give an assignment, right? So, pass it forward without making any noise. Okay, class, what will you do if the teacher talking in front? Very good. What else? What will you do if you want to answer? Yes, right. Just raise your right hand when you want to answer. So, class, what are the last topic? Very good. Our last topic was all about male reproductive system. So, class, let us check it if you still remember them. I will give an illustrations of male reproductive system. Study it and answer my following questions. Number 1. What are produced in structure A? Number 2. Which organ transports sperm cell into the female vagina? Number 3. What organ is protected in structure D? Number 4. If the structure F or vas deferens is cut, can the sperm cell transported to female? Yes or no? Number 5. Organ B carries blank and germ cells and sperm cells outside the body. Very good. You are all remember our last topic. The female reproductive system is designed to carry different functions and contains parts in both external and internal of the body. It is important because it ensures reproduce human. One of the part of female reproductive system is ovaries. Ovaries are small oval-shaped glands that are located in either side of the uterus. Ovaries are also egg cells that are called as ovum. It is the female sex cells, and estrogen and progesterone are the female sex hormones. It is not like a chicken egg, but instead about size of the period or that, or it is a size of an head of the pin. So ovaries are also the largest cell of the female body. When united with a male sperm cell, it can create a baby. So, a female is born with a supply of 250,000 unmature ova. So, during puberty, she begins the release, usually once in a month, which is called ovulation. Fallopian tube is one of the female reproductive system. It seems like a narrow tubes that connect the ovaries to the uterus with a diameter about the size of a strand of spaghetti. So, the fallopian tube or oviduct, it is a passageway. It is about 8 to 10 centimeters long. It is where the egg travels after the ovulations. Uterus are also called womb, or they called as bahay bata. It is an hollow muscular organ located at lower abdomen. It is a human body where the baby grows. So, uterus, where in an adult female, the uterus is the size and shape of an clenched fist. So, one of the female reproductive system is cervix. Cervix is the lower part of uterus. It seems like it is a narrow opening between the uterus and the vagina. So, it is normally and nearly closed or collapsed state, but opens or dilates to 10 cm during labor of a pregnant woman to allow the baby to born vaginally, and also opens a tiny bit to allow a menstrual flow. So one of the important parts of female reproductive system is the vagina. It is called the birth canal. So vagina, it is an hollow muscular tube that extends from the cervix to vaginal opening called vulva. So vagina is one who receive the penis of male during mating. So take note, class, that the female reproductive system is really important to study, because a female reproductive system, it is ensure the reproductions of humans, and it is also enables a woman to produce egg cells, protect and nourish a fertilized egg until it is fully developed, and especially women give birth. Okay, class, any questions regarding to our discussions this morning? Did you really understand? I did discuss earlier. So, if you don't have any questions, I am the one who questions you. Be ready, class. So, number 1 question is, why female reproductive system is important to a woman? Vagina was also called as number 3. Fallopian tube is also called an and the uterus is also called as and now complete the statement below. So, the main organs of female reproductive system are the blank. They produce blank, which will be fertilized egg by sperm cell. They are responsible in producing the female sex hormones called blank and the blank. The other organs of female reproductive system that made up complete the blank, 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 and blank. I give you minutes to answer those questions. Now, class, you can see your answer now. So, all of you get an excellent answer. Give yourself a barangay clap. For our activity this morning, draw the illustrations of the female reproductive system and label each part. Okay, class, after drawing illustrations and labeling each part of the female reproductive system, proceed to the activity number 2. It is called a matching type. So, activity number 2. Match the part of female reproductive system into column A with a functions in column B. So, write the letters before the number. So, class, I give you a minute to finish those activities. So, class, for your assignment, research about the parts and functions of plant reproductive system. Okay, class, pass all of your activity in front and please stand up. Okay, class, goodbye, class, and have a nice day.